Okay, people, if you own an iPad or a tablet or an iPhone, anybody can get used to this car. Because you know, even 3-year-olds, 4-year-olds can pick up an iPad and learn how to use it. Basically, same type of function. This is your normal driving map, and of course, you have all your controls down here, which um, are easy accessible. People complain that I can't drive and touch these buttons, but it's very simple. What I do is I grip from behind and I touch. Instead of driving and floating my finger, it just seems easier if I grab my hand here and there's my air conditioning controls. A little different than normal. Very cool, of course. You can adjust the directions here. You can heated seats, check it out. Even back have heated seats. How many cars you know have heated seats in the back? Okay, anyways, back to the air conditioning. Very simple, okay. Dual control, passenger driver. They got their heated seats, defrost. Passengers volume, so they can raise the volume if they want. And then you have this little button that's gonna get set up more options. Okay, charging. Look at what your charge is at. Okay. Calendar. As you see, I don't have anything to do. Nothing on my calendar. Energy use. That's basically consumption of energy. I really don't do too much of that. The web, which I really don't use too much of the web because I have a phone. It's just easier to use my phone right now. But of course, when version 10 comes out, I will be probably watching Netflix. Oh, look at Starhopper. Must be a Elon fanboy. Okay, anyways. What else is under there? Camera, reverse camera. That's the backup camera. And toy box. Those are the Easter eggs. Pretty cool. You guys probably already seen all those. I won't go through them. And actually arcade. Arcade has chess and Doom Buggy, which are basically, these games are old and outdated and I'm not really into them. But actually chess is a very good game when you have time to kill. And Doom Buggy is actually a really fun game too. It actually feels like an actual PS3 or PS4 game. Okay, get out of here. Now, what else we got? Okay, so now this is my function button, my quick function button. So if you ever need to do anything with your car, access it, just hit the function button and you got a bar of things you can do, like quick controls, adjusting mirrors. Once again, you guys probably already seen all these, but I'm just saying, anybody can learn to use it. Your lights, locks, displays, autopilot, just everything that you need to do is here with this one button. Okay, anyways, like I said, you guys probably already have all seen this stuff. The car's been out for a year and a half now. But what another cool thing is that you don't hear too much about, but it is a mid-sized luxury car, so all mid-sized luxury cars should have this easy entry. So easy entry is pretty awesome. It adjusts the seat so you can get out, and of course it knows, and it has, I don't know, unlimited, but I only have like a couple names that you push and it'll adjust to whatever you're sitting. That counts as steering wheel. Will go in and out. Your seat, your mirrors will adjust for whoever's sitting in the seat. And then of course your garage door opener, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and this is Sentry mode. If I ever want to hit Sentry mode and walk out of the car, basically that's my camera, security camera for your car to make sure, you know, if you're in a shady parking lot, maybe you want to hit that. But anyways, you've probably seen a lot of videos on that. And then another thing is my dash cam. That's actually really cool. You just plug it in and drive around, and hopefully nothing bad ever happens. But I had some close calls which I recorded on camera, which were pretty cool. Maybe one day I'll collect all the close calls and show them, but for right now, that's it for that. Okay, here's another thing that you don't really hear talked about too much, is the Tesla headlights. Yes, I'm coming from driving a 2006 Honda Accord, so it didn't have LEDs, but I never knew how good headlights should be until I drove this car at night. So here's a quick example of the LEDs on the Tesla Model 3. See how it's not just yellow or just in front of me, it's kind of like a wide angle shoots. You can actually see the sidewalk, so it actually is a wide spectrum from right to left. Everything looks so clear. Driving is like completely different at night from driving this car. Not only do they look good from the inside, but they look just as good from the outside as well. Okay, another great safety feature is front collision warning. Sometimes, just like that, if you take too long to hit the brakes, say you're not paying attention, or maybe you're on your phone, who knows, not sure, but I'm never on my phone. But anyways, so that warns you basically to hit the brakes. And I can say, honestly, that sound has probably saved me from crashing a few times. Not that I'm not a good driver and all, but it's just, you know, sometimes you don't pay attention to the road like you should. Okay, so I'm on autopilot. I'm still paying attention to what I'm doing, but I'll just like to look at the navigation screen. I've never seen a vehicle that had a navigation screen this clear. Basically, it looks like an iPad. Most are old computer looking screens, but this one, you can zoom in and you can, as you can see the houses, you can see the pools. I mean, it's great. And you navigate is awesome. I mean, the times it tells you you're gonna get there, you're gonna get there. You can zoom out. I just want to say this is the best screen for navigation that I've ever seen, and it probably is the best screen out there right now on the market. Well, the biggest. Last but not least, I'd like to thank you for taking your time out of your day to watch the video. Hope you liked it. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Hopefully I can make another video. If not, peace out.